Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about Xbox Remote Play, which was just released earlier this week to the Xbox app for iOS and iPad OS. Now this enables your Apple device to be able to play your Xbox games remotely on Wi-Fi or 4G LTE, which you do need at least a 10 megabit connection for remote play on cellular. Now, previously, Apple had released xCloud to Android, which actually streams the games rather than making a connection to your Xbox. Because of Apple's App Store policies, this is just not possible, so that's why Microsoft has gone this way of having to remote into your Xbox to be able to play your games. Now, it's very easy to set up. You do want to make sure from your Xbox that you have remote play features enabled with instant on, otherwise it just won't work. Now if you don't already have the Xbox app, simply download it from the App Store or make sure you do update your app to the latest version. Now you will find within the app a icon that looks like a Xbox Connect. You click that and then there's an option to start remote play. From there it'll try to make the connection to your Xbox. It may take a few tries, but it will connect. Now, Android, you have no connection issues whatsoever. And then it's simply that easy. Once the app is open, you do need an Xbox One controller with Bluetooth to be able to cycle through the menus because there is no touch interface as it's remoting into your Xbox. And then, yeah, from there, launch your games from your My Games and Apps or Game Pass, and you're all good to go. I did try this on LTE. It did use up a little bit of data, but it's not terrible. So just make sure you do have a good cellular data plan. Now moving away from Xbox. Apple had their Time Flies event back in September where they announced the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE. They also had their high-speed iPhone event in October where they announced the HomePod Mini and the new iPhone 12 lineup. Now the latest rumor is Apple may be holding an event on November 17th where we could see the announcement of the AirPods Studio. Now these are a over-the-ears headphone that features magnetic ear cups and headbands that can be removable to add different styles. It also may come with active noise cancellation, and we may also see the spatial audio like we see on the AirPods. Now the rumors said that this would start at $349 for a sport model, and there would also be a higher end model with a more premium construction for a higher cost. That cost is unknown right now, but the base model of it will start at $350 US. Now we may also see the AirTags, which is a Bluetooth tracker that can be used with anything like your purse, wallet, keys that can be tracked in your Find My app, so that if you lose them, you can find where they are. Now this may come in 2 different sizes. That was also another rumor. There is no suggested price on this. It's just, yeah, there's no price on it yet. We may also see Apple's first Silicon Mac, which Apple has said there will be a Mac coming by the end of 2020, which will use Apple Silicon. And finally, we may see a new Apple TV set-top box that could come with Apple's A14X with console-like performance. So that's the rumors for the November 17th event. All these things have been long rumored for the past events, so we may see it come November. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be made aware when my videos go live. Till next time, hope you enjoy your day, and cheers.